Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do text replacement or text shortcut. So like when you're going to do messages,
9
or
unread
type
messages,
in a quick note,
messages,
you
edit
might
button,
want to use like shorthanded typing. So that way you don't have to type in the whole phrase. So this kind of case or situation, it is the phrase that you often use to your friend or your family members. So something like maybe good afternoon, good morning, how are you, something like that. That way you don't have to type in the whole thing. So for example, I'm gonna say
conversations, Betty Davis,
okay.
messages, Betty Davis, message,
So I'm
iMessage,
gonna type
text
in good
field,
afternoon.
message, text field, is added, cap V, cap G, A,
Just 2 characters give me the whole phrase of good afternoon.
space,
And
good afternoon,
how are you?
3 exclamation marks, cap H, R,
3
you,
characters give me the whole phrase of how are you?
space,
And
how are
now I'm
you?
just ready to send it, but I'm not gonna do it. So now I'm gonna show you how to set it up.
Messages,
So first
9
go
unread
to
messages,
Oh, wait.
app switcher, messages, act, setting, closing settings, settings, 1 new,
Then go to general.
settings, go, group, ETN, eating now, get back to you later, actions, app switcher, messages, act, settings, closing settings, app switcher, settings, 1 new item, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, personal hotspot, rows, general, button,
Then go
about,
to
button,
keyboard.
date and time, keyboard, button,
Then
keyboards,
text replacement.
5, button, text replacement, but
And here
section
you have the
index,
whole list of phrases that I assign my abbreviation to. So for example, I have
J. Good
GE
evening,
for
smiling
good
face with
evening.
sunglasses. 3 slightly smiling, heck night, red gift envelope,
issue
who,
for
hurry
up.
actions available, N, LOL,
LOL
laughing out
for
loud,
laughing out loud. Sometimes
Actions
when I
available.
type this to my friend keep telling me you don't have to type in the whole thing, but I had to tell them that I only type in 3 characters, and it just auto-populate the whole phrase for me. So now I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So by go to
add, button, add, phrase,
here,
text
you type in
field,
the
is
phrase
editing, in,
that you use a lot, something that come up a lot, and you don't want to type in the whole phrase. Something could be like a greeting, or can be like your habit, like you like to say this phrase. So often my student keep text me on my day off, so I want to be able to tell them that today is my day off. I will get back to you when I on the working hour. So let's say I'm gonna say I'm not working now, and I will get back to you as soon as I'm back to the office. Oh, I'm not in the office.
I, shift, return, cap N, cap, number, apostrophe, M,
Not,
N, O, T, not, I, N, N, T, B, N, delete, N, H, E, the, O, G, F, F, U, delete, U, I, C, E, office, N, P, O, W, now, Q, A, B, N, D,
and will.
and W, I, L, L, will, H, G, E, T, get, B, A, C, K, spec, R, T, P, O, 2, T, Y, O, U, U, A, S, as, S, O, O, N, soon, A, S, as, I, num, apostrophe, M, spime, B, A, C, K, spec, T, O, 2, T, 8, E, the, I, L, delete, I, O, F, F, I, C, W, E,
And then let me do
office,
some emoji.
space, emoji.
Let's do
Next keyboard, sleepy face, woozy face, angry face, face with thermo, woozy face with one squint, nauseated face, ogre, skull, robot face, smiling face with horns, smiling pile of poo, alien monster, robot
Let's do
face,
robot face.
face.
like I'm not a robot. You can't expect me working 24/7.
Ghost. What? Robot face. Ghost. Ghost. Robot face. Robot face. Ghost. Ghost. Robot. Alien monster. Robot face. Alien. What? Skull and crossbones. Alien.
Okay.
Alien.
And now I want to assign. You have to decide 3 characters or 2 or any 2 or 3 characters for the whole phrase.
Create a shortcut that will automatically expand into the word or phrase as you type. Shortcut. Optional.
So
Text
put
field.
in
Insertion point at end.
IOI,
O. I. O.
and then
I.
go ahead and save it.
Save. Button. Save.
So
Keyboards,
now
back
I
button.
have the phrase.
ITM. IOI. I'm not in the office now and will get back to you as soon as I'm back to the office. Robot face. Ghost. Robot face. Ghost. Alien.
And I will go back to that
Actions
message
available.
and type in this
Settings.
message to her.
Messages. 9 unread messages. 9 unread message. Space. Kappa O. Kappa I. O. I. I'm not in the office now. Message. Text field. Send.
There
Button.
you go.
Send message.
So now I
Record
have the whole
audio.
phrase
Button.
and
Messages.
I hope
9
this
unread
video
messages.
is, you found it useful. Thank you for listening, and I'll get back.
Control
back
center.
to see you
Airplane
again
mode.
next time.
Switch button.
And
Off.
sorry for haven't seen you for a long time.
Action.